Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy.
I think I'm trying to find my purpose.
In today's video guys, I'm going to change my apartment black and gold and a little bit hint of white. Guys, I'm very passionate about decorating my home. I always change the colors, the furniture, my rugs. I always love to do that guys, and I have some great idea for you guys on how to maximize a small space. Even if you have a big space, it still can be helpful. This video is in collaboration with this company that sent me this beautiful table, and it was the perfect timing because I wanted to make a black and gold table setting. And guys, if you see the table the way it is, it's very compact yet very nice. If you live in a small apartment, this one may work for you. Even you're not in the small apartment, you can use it as a kitchen nook or any other place in your home. Today I'm going to use this table in my dining area. Guys, as you already know, I have a small apartment and this table is perfect for it. And guys, as you can see the way I'm doing my rug, whenever I have a new rug, I always fold it back way so it can lay flat on the floor. And guys, as you can see the table, it's not too heavy and it's very sturdy. My son was able to put it together by himself. So guys, it's a nice table if you want one like that. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you to check it out. They have so many colors. They have white, they have black, they have marble, and you can check the website. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. If you want one like this, make sure to check them out. Okay guys, let's decorate the table and keep on watching. I'm going to set a table for 4 because it's my family size right now. Guys, you don't have to do 4, you can do 2. I'm just going to show you how I can set up a table for 4 and still look very nice and can hold up whatever I put on it. Guys, make sure to check the link in the description box down below. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything: my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all guys, and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. C'est la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec mes amis. So pour la première fois tout, merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos, moi j'aime nous bien.
And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, if you have a local Walmart, make sure to check them because those flowers are so beautiful. I got this leaf at Walmart. It was $3.94 and the flowers was $6.49 guys. I love them. They're so beautiful, they look so real. Guys, you really need one. So if you like them, don't hesitate because it's not easy to find them. So when they have it, you just run and get them. In this plate from Amazon. Everything in the video going to be in the description box down below. Make sure to check the box.
As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
That was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.